All new fire brick, cleaned all the creosote out, torched the door to get the creosote off. All new gasket. Same thing here, cleaned off the door, all new gasket, ready to burn. And built this plenum yesterday from scratch. Installed a damper. It's currently closed. That's open. That's closed. There's also a damper so that I can close any backdraft coming from when a wood burner is going and I have the gas furnace off. I'll leave that in the open position. This is in the closed position. And come around here. There's the stovepipe to the flue. There's the clean out that I busted out and installed. It's all mortared in and sealed up proper. And then I built this box. Just need to tape it off, but gonna wait until I run the electrical. That's all that's left. And then this is for the cold air. So there's a blower in there. And then it's sharing the cold air intake with the other furnace. And built this box and tied everything in. This is to act as a damper to shut this off whenever the wood furnace is not being used. So I can just pull that out. And then there you have your air filter box. And then there's a thermostat for the furnace, and it kicks on with whatever temperature I want. And that's that.